Among the best flagship Android smartphones this year, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra stands out. While its 200-megapixel main camera and telephoto lenses are not as good as those of competitors, Samsung has chosen to use smaller camera sensors on its flagship Galaxy devices, in contrast to OnePlus and Xiaomi, and it still has an impressive anti-reflective screen, exceptional performance, and a long-lasting battery life. However, the firm is preparing to release the Galaxy S25 early next year, which will have significant enhancements to both the display and camera quality. Samsung's mobile experience vice president, Daniel Arajo, alluded to significant improvements in the Galaxy S25's display and camera capabilities on a recent earnings call in Q2 2024. Top-tier application processors and memory would be used, he said, to improve ad performance and provide consumers an exceptional experience all around. With its flagship Galaxy S series, which usually has the best panels available, Samsung is well known for its prowess in OLED displays. This 6.8-inch OLED display on the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a maximum brightness of 2600 nits and is equipped with Corning's innovative Gorilla Glass protection, which reduces reflections by up to 75%. Anticipating the S25 series, Samsung could use novel tandem OLED display technology akin to Apple's M4 iPad Pro in order to attain even greater luminosities and enhanced battery savings. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to include an improved 50-megapixel 3x telephoto sensor, which would greatly improve picture quality and detail over the smaller 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens on the S24 Ultra. With the debut of the Galaxy S21 Ultra in 2021, Samsung has been using the same sensor in its flagship models. However, it seems that the 200-megapixel primary sensor, which is included in both the S24 and S23 Ultra, may not change. In addition, a vice president of Samsung discussed the company's AI advancements and disclosed plans to work closely with partners like Google. The goal of this collaboration is to enhance the understanding of conversational context, which will ultimately result in a more seamless and natural user experience across devices. With these improvements, Samsung is well positioned to maintain its already significant competitive advantage in AI integration. Compared to previous Galaxy S series phones, the forthcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to offer a significant upgrade. Showcase a new software layout, faster CPU, improved cameras, and a new design are all expected. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.